Yes, that's Bymuseum in Bergen, Museum of Old Bergen, containing old houses that were moved from the city center to here so that they are preserved. And yeah, it's right on the North Sea, and it has also a public beach called Sandviken Sjøbad, or also called Old Bergen Hotspot Beach. So this is the first actual public beach that I'm visiting here. So it's gonna be awesome. Sandviken Sjøbad. And there are actual people on the beach. Oh, and there is a platform to jump from also as well. So that's gonna be awesome then. Let's get swimming. All right, let's jump from this platform above into the North Sea. And this beautiful beach, Sandviken Sjøbad, here in Bergen. Let's go. Oh. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, I've already gone up 5 meters at least, but let's go away, because why not? A real adventure, sea adventure here in Bergen. It's so high. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, that's Sandviken Sjøbad. So it's pretty amazing. Look at that. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. So it's How many meters is this? 10 meters? Maybe. So, yeah, I feel a bit scared, but I think I'm gonna make it through anyway. And I hope that my GoPro survives in the process. Alright, I'm trying to tighten it a bit. So first, if we made it through here, then we're gonna go to that platform over there and jump from it as well. Because this is Beach Adventures with Chris. And right now we are having this beach adventure in Bergen. So look at that. This is clear, pure natural beauty. And that's the Old Bergen Museum over there, Bymuseet. It looks scary, believe me. It looks very scary, but we're gonna make it. This is probably the highest I have ever jumped. Alright, so today is 10th of June. Outer temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 19 degrees right now. So we're gonna jump. We're gonna jump, believe me. We're gonna jump. I'm just gathering some courage because it's so high from where I am. See? Alright, we are jumping. We are jumping in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. That was sick. Oh my god. Oh. That was a once in a lifetime experience. Will I do it again? Probably not. Oof, I feel that my legs hurt a bit from the jump, but I survived. And we can continue with the beach adventures here in Bergen. So yeah. Oof. Oh my god, it's so high and dangerous, so don't do this at home. So yeah, oh my god, I'm still shaking from the experience. It was quite an experience. You see, I jumped from the highest one. Now there is one person there that's gonna jump from the middle one, for the lower one. I should have done that as well, now that I think about it. But yeah, I'm not average. I always go for for the biggest impact. Even though now I'm still shaking from the jump, it was worth it. It would be good if I can find out how many meters were there. Yes, and the kid now has jumped from the lower platform. But the highest one is sick. 10 meters at least. Alright, now we're gonna jump from this platform as well over here. So since we made it from all the way up, We can make it from here as well. Don't worry. This is a lot easier than the previous one. This is only 2 meters or so. Oop. But it's bouncing. It's bouncing. And compared to that one, this is nothing. I hope so. Alright, are you ready for another jump? I am, let's go. Amazing. Beautiful. What an amazing public beach here. So yeah, greetings from Sandviken Sjøbad, this wonderful beach in Bergen.